Business owners are always on the lookout for a more cost-effective way of acquiring new customers without breaking the bank. But unfortunately, it doesn't work like that. The more customers you want, the more money you need to spend. Thinking about offering deals? Think again. Just so you know how most pre-purchase coupon sites work, first the deal has to be discounted 50%, and the remaining 50% is split between the advertiser and the business. Think about it. Can your business afford to sell its products or services for just 25% of its normal retail price? Now, imagine being able to offer deals and coupons you can afford to redeem 100 times over and not sharing the profits with the advertiser. This is where Refter Deals excels. Refter Deals is the next best thing when it comes to offering deals online and building a loyal list of customers that won't just return to purchase from you over and over, but will also refer their friends, family, and everyone else online to purchase from you. The best part is, Refter Deals allows the business to be in total control of their deals and reviews. Businesses can add or change their deals as often as they want and respond to all their customers' good or bad reviews, and resolve any bad issues their customers felt they've experienced. We've made it so simple. When a customer downloads any of your business deals, we'll send you their information so you can offer them a special deal to refer or review your business. These special deals will help build your repeat customers as you've never experienced before. That is not all. By joining Refter Deals' network of businesses, your business deals and reputation will be seen by thousands of customers of other businesses that are searching for good deals and great businesses. It's super easy. Refter Deals captures the power of word of mouth, which is the strongest advertising tool a business can have, and harnesses it with the power of social media, which is quickly taking over the world. So, is your business ready to grow its customer base? Join today with our special offer of only $200. We'll send you the name and email of the next 100 customers that either used one of your deals or saved it to their favorites to use later. You don't have anything to lose with our no questions asked 120-day money-back guarantee. Remember, the more deals and positive reviews you have, the more customers you'll get. Go to www.refdir.com today before our $200 deal expires.